Why should we hire you?
As a customer service executive, I bring a unique combination of empathy, patience, and strong communication skills that are essential for this role. I have 3 years of experience in handling customer queries, resolving issues, and ensuring customer satisfaction in a fast paced environment. My ability to actively listen and provide clear solutions has helped me maintain a customer satisfaction score of over 95%. Moreover, I'm a quick learner who adapts well to new systems and technologies, which means I can quickly learn your CRM and workflow tools. I also understand the importance of representing the company positively in every interaction, and I consistently remain calm and professional even under pressure. You should hire me because I not only have the skills and experience needed for this role, but also the right attitude to support your customers and contribute to a positive brand reputation.